Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'll be sharing all the makeup looks I've created over the past year. But before we dive in, I just want to take a moment to reflect on why this year has been such a game changer for my makeup journey. First off, I got my very first YouTube payment. It wasn't much, but honestly, I'm so happy to be earning from something I absolutely love doing. I also had a TikTok video go viral with over 50,000 views. I know that might not seem like a lot to some people, but for a small channel like mine, it's a huge milestone. And to top it all off, I got featured on local news pages and even in a newspaper. It's been surreal. Some people have even started to recognize me in public. I know most of my viewers are from the US and UK, but this year I was excited to see a lot of new viewers from Malta and even some from Italy. Now I'll stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I wish you a happy new year and hope that 2025 brings you lots of joy, love, and everything your heart desires. I'll see you next year with a brand new celebrity makeup transformation.